Welcome to Vision Plus. We are looking at domain and range of quadratic functions in the vertex form. Example 5 says, find the domain and the range of the function f of x equals to a half into x plus 5 plus 3 out of 4. This is squared here in the vertex form. I did not copy it well, but there is a square there. So our domain here is always a set of real numbers, a set of all real numbers. That is the domain for any quadratic function in any form, whether vertex or general form or any other form. In the interval notation, our domain is a set of the values of x from negative infinity to positive infinity in that manner. And in the set Euler notation, our domain is a set X for which all the values of X are real numbers. So that is the domain, which is always a set of all real numbers. Going to the range, our range depends on two values, the value of A and the value of K. So the vertex form is f of x equals to A into x minus h squared plus k. So we compare the given function to the vertex form, and clearly we can see that our A is equal to a half. Our h, since here it is a positive, it means that 5 was a negative, so h is a negative 5. And finally our k is a fraction 3 out of 4. Someone can convert it to decimal, but you can also keep it in fraction. So our range, we say it depends on the value of A. Our A is a half. This half is positive, so A is positive. And if A is positive, we say then our range Y is more than or equal to K. So simply, our range Y is more than or equal to K. What is K? Our K is 3 out of 4. If we look at this function, A is positive. That means our quadratic curve opens up. In other words, it has a minimum turning point. And this is the range, correct? But in the interval notation, our range equals to, we shall start from 3 out of 4 and above. So inclusive 3 out of 4, and then we go to more than 3 out of 4. That one means we shall go up to positive infinity. Or someone can have it in the same interval notation as our range comes from positive infinity and then it stops at 3 out of 4. But 3 out of 4 is inclusive, so you put here a square bracket. So this and these are interval notation. And in the set Euler notation, our range is a set Y for which Y is more than or equal to 3 out of 4. That means our Y starts from 3 out of 4 and continues upwards up to positive infinity. So this is the solution to example 5, and this is the last example we are doing under the vertex form of the quadratic function.